a great one for you all today. It is a $10,000 grant. And if you don't know, my name is Darcy. I help people start and fund businesses to replace their 9-to-5 income. And one of the best ways to fund your business is with free grant money. Let's break down what is a small business grant. A small business grant is financial assistance given to you by an organization. There are a ton of organizations that want to give you free money. Federal, state, and local government. All of these agencies have money set aside for small business owners. You just gotta tap into it. And then we have nonprofit organizations and corporations, which is my personal favorite way of small business funding, because it is very easy to get to this money. And that is why I had to share this wonderful opportunity with you all today to win a $10,000 grant. You could go to them with a great business and they would be willing to give you $10,000. I know personally I wouldn't be able to get that kind of money from the bank, but when it comes to grants, you have the opportunity to access a lot of money. And if you're wondering, how is it possible for something so good like a small business grant to exist? I want you to know that both parties benefit from small business grants. The organization or the government that is giving you the grant looks good to the public because it shows they support small businesses. And then for you, you get an extra $10,000, mentorship, coaching, and additional training when you win a business grant. And so when it comes to business grants, everybody wins. And that's a community I know you want to be a part of. And to give you all the best chance of success when it comes to winning grants, I've created both free and paid resources for you all. Because we know we like free, I'm going to go into free resources first. The first thing I put together for you all is a business grant checklist. This walks you through the exact steps that small business owners need to do to build a strong business foundation. It's important that when grant sponsors look at your business and read through their application, they're like, ooh, that business looks professional. They look like they care about what they're doing. They got a professional business email. They got a professional business website. Their business is looking really good. And so I want that for you. And in addition, it walks you through the entire grant application process. From the very beginning, when you're finding a grant that is perfect for your business, like this $10,000 grant today, all the way to the very end, when you are sending the grant sponsor reports because you have successfully won and carried out the project in your grant application. And so you're just saying, hey, grant sponsor, your money was put to good use, and I am glad that you invested in my business. Now, getting into the paid resources, if you really want to invest in yourself, here is the chance. And so first, I have the Business Grant Vault. This is your all-in-one place. If you want to apply to more than one grant and secure a ton of money, then this is a great resource for you because it's going to help you stay organized. It's going to send you alerts when deadlines are due, and there's 50 grants included within this database that I like to call Grant Aristocrats, because most of them have given out a grant for at least 2 years. And so the Business Grant Vault will be linked below. In addition, I have a 200+ ChatGPT grant prompt list. And so every stage I mentioned included in the business grant checklist, there is a prompt that can answer your questions when you use ChatGPT. And so if you have questions, if you're unsure how to get started with grants, then the 200+ ChatGPT grant prompt list is a perfect solution for you. And the last special thing that I have for you all is the AI Grant Starter Bundle, which I will launch June 3rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so this bundle is going to include everything I mentioned before, plus 3 custom GPTs that will take care of the process of finding grants and of writing grant applications for you. Now that you have everything you need to win a grant, let's talk about this $10,000 grant. And so this $10,000 grant is offered by Jobber Grants. And so they are offering a $10,000 grant to home service businesses. And so as we look through the list of 2023 winners, we see that business owners are in landscaping, power washing, repair, trash valet, painting, house cleaning, and pool cleaning. And so as you see, there's a lot of different businesses that fall within the home service category. And so when it comes to the grant amount or the amount of money that small business owners can win, Jobber is giving away a total of $150,000, which means that 15 small business owners will win $10,000. There's so much that you can do with that kind of money. And what's great about the Jobber grant is that it's an open-ended grant, which means that you can spend this grant money on whatever you need to in order to grow your business. And so if you need money for marketing, you can spend it on that. Or if you need money to get new equipment, you can spend it on whatever you want to, on your business, of course. So when it comes to the Jobber grant, this is a huge opportunity. And what's even better is that the Jobber grant application takes less than 5 minutes to fill out. And to give you even more detail, once you submit the 5-minute application, they will notify you by email saying that they have received your application. If they choose to move you to the next round, you should receive another email from Jobber asking you for additional information. So it's very important that when you submit the 5-minute application, you include a professional business email that you check on a daily basis. The last thing that you really need to know as it relates to the Jobber grant is that the deadline to apply is June 12th, which is about 2 weeks away. So you do have enough time to get everything organized. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you need a step-by-step playbook on how you can use AI to assist you with grant applications, I've created a video right here that you need to check out.